Okay, so what are we doing today, Jaydah?
Yeah, lighting a chico.
Okay, so we use this for slow cooking in Africa, right? In Kenya? This is the way we do slow cooking.
Yes.
So what are you arranging there now?
Charcoal. I'm arranging it so we can use it.
Okay. So you can't just dump it in. Like in America, we just dump charcoal in. Here you have to arrange it, huh?
You have to make some space so you can put this stick so it can burn a bit.
Okay.
Let me make a space here so you can see.
Mm-hmm.
And then at the sides you just put some charcoal.
And people make the charcoal here, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They make it from wood?
Yes. I think it's ready now.
Okay, so what's next?
We are going to make the wood so we are making them smaller.
Okay.
Cutting some pieces. Some people use their hands, but I use a knife and a hamata.
Okay.
You hit the knife like that. See?
Mm-hmm.
I think this one we're going to break it like that. This one will break it into two again. We are going to repeat the same process again and again until they're small.
Okay.
Like that.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to be careful.
Mm-hmm.
I think this one is enough now.
Okay. So what's next?
We're going to light it.
Okay.
I have to get the matchbox. Have to find one that looks like it's oily.
Okay. Like from sap from the branch. It's oily.
Yeah. And you light it up. You see?
Oh. Very good. Whoops, it went out.
You have to find another one.
Mm-hmm.
want it there like that, you arrange it. The small space that you made is where you will arrange the sticks. We have to wait for it like to lit.
Okay. So meanwhile, we'll go in and look at what we're going to be cooking. So today we're making bone soup, and I'm just helping Mama while she's at a teacher's meeting. So what we have here is beef bones, not camel bones, Jaydah, don't worry, beef bones. Baked beef bones, and we're going to be cooking all the marrow out of them and getting all the flavor out and all the nutrition. And we put in an onion and a crushed garlic clove and some salt and some pepper. And we're just going to be slow cooking that on the charcoal. And then we give the dogs the bones and we have the soup. Okay, Jaydah, how's our fire looking now?
It's okay. Now we have to put some charcoal.
Add some more charcoal.
On top of it.
Making a lot of smoke, isn't it?
Yes. So the charcoal could burn it, and it can like protect the others.
Okay. Does it stay this smoky the whole time or just while it's starting?
I think the whole time until the charcoal becomes red. We have to take it outside.
Careful. That's not hot?
No, it's not hot. That's it.
So this is how we slow cook in Kenya. We don't have a crock pot. We do it the old-fashioned Kenyan way. Not even old-fashioned. This is the way they all do it. This is the way the tribes cook.
You have to find something to.
This is the way the tribes cook when you're slow cooking. Otherwise, they just use regular wood for normal cooking. Do you know how they make the charcoal? Can you tell everybody how they make it?
You gather some woods and like you put it somewhere. You cover it with some soil and you start burning it like for 3 or I think a week or what, I don't. But they
You burn it with soil so that it slows it?
on top of it.
So it's burning underneath the soil so it doesn't have a lot of oxygen, a lot of air. Okay. And then what happens?
And then I think after a week or something, they come and get like some of the charcoal that have already, some of the woods that have already become charcoal.
Oh.
See, some charcoal are starting to become red. Come and
And that's what we want. We want it to turn red. Let me show everybody.
see. Hey.
You think the chickens are getting nervous seeing us do this? So who taught you how to do this, Jaydah?
My mother.
And?
Grandpa.
Your grandmother?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you said your grandmother even reaches right in and grabs the lit charcoals with her hands?
Yes. They are used to it.
Okay, it's getting there. We just stirred it a little bit, let some more air in. We can feel that the heat is starting to increase. It's starting to get hot. Not as easy as in America. In America, we just buy the bag of charcoal at the store, dump it in, spray a little lighter fluid on it, kerosene, something like that. Throw a match in there, boom. 10 minutes later, it's ready to go. Takes a little bit more work in Africa. Not too much, remember we need a flat surface for the pot still.
Yeah.
Yep, that should be good.
It's not hot.
But you can feel heat coming from the bottom, right?
Yeah. Let me put it. Now we have to leave it for a while.
Looks like it's getting hot. Yep, you can't touch that now. At least I wouldn't. I think we're about ready for the bone soup to go on there. And here comes the bone soup. Thank you, Jaydah. Oh, Jaydah just touches it. Uh-huh. Yep, it's getting hot. Be careful. Oh, Kiki's already sniffing. She knows what's in that pot.
See?
Somebody likes bone soup. You're gonna get those bones later, both of you, but not yet. You stay away from this. You stay away from this.
See, Daddy?
Uh-huh. Yep. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's very, very hot. Yep. Yeah, be careful there.
This is what Grandma's touch.
Just the black part.
The white part.
She touches the white part?
She can touch it like very quickly.
Wow, wow. Okay, put it on there. I think maybe we better lock up Kiki until that pot is hot. Put her in her house, okay? All right, we'll check on this later. We'll check on this later in a future video. I'm going to stop this one now because this is going to be a long, slow cook now.
Let me find a heavy thing to put on top of it.
Okay, see you guys soon. Okay, hello everyone. And the soup is done. The bone soup is ready. And Mama is home from her teacher's meeting at school.
Hi.
There she is, Pastor Esther, Pastor Baby, she's there. And here is Jaydah. Jaydah, you did a good job making the soup, but we're about to taste it. Here, let everybody see me, baby. Turn it around for a minute.
Okay.
Hi, everyone. I'm the one that's been holding the camera. I just wanted you to see. I'm here, too. And here is the soup that Jaydah did the charcoal for that you watched. I showed you what was in there and everything. Now it's ready. Baby, you want to get your cup and I'll put you some?
Yes.
You can try. Be the first one to try it. Bone soup.
Wow.
Let's see. Give it a try.
Mmm.
What do you think? Is it good?
Yeah, very yummy.
Oh, very good. And what else do we have here? We've got rice that Jaydah made. We made baked potatoes. And what kind of meat did you bring home?
Chicken.
Chicken meat. Wow. Jaydah, get your cup. Away from there. Yes. Try it.
Mmm.
You like it? Very good. That's a little bit of garlic, baby. A garlic clove. That's black pepper, salt, an onion cut up in there, and of course the meat with the bones, which the dogs are going to be very happy about. The meat just falling off of those bones, so we can take meat off of them and then give the dogs the rest. Whoops, I didn't show you guys that, sorry. See, here's the bones, the meat just falling off of them. Nice, huh? Okay, so we are going to enjoy our dinner, and God bless you all. Bye.
Bye.